very warm welcome to all of you. Good evening. DDKF, the acronym which we are now all familiar with, is an organization, an NGO started 108 years back at a function to felicitate one of our bright stars of those days, Sri Velji Lakhamsi Nappu, who eventually became a founder of this organization. At that function, when the elders felicitated him, a crowdfunding, what we call today, happened at that time, and a sum of amount was collected, which was to be used for spreading and furthering the education in the community. DDKF is an organization which promotes education in our community. During the earlier years, we used to fund the schools in our native place, Kutch, and as time went on, started funding the college students so that no KVO student would be without the funds for his higher education. As time passed and the times changed, we had to change track along with that. And when new avenues came up, we started career guidance for the student and counseling. As we approached the centenary in 2012, lot of new thoughts came into the mind to still further help and promote education. Having known that basic education is now available to all, almost the entire community, we started thinking about other ways to take the community still further up. And that is how the LNMA was conceived, and we started giving awards to meritorious students in our community. The awards were based not only on academic but also on the overall personality, the leadership skills, the soft skills of the individual. This is the seventh year where we have been giving away these awards. During this course of time, we came to know that some of the students, though academically excelling, were lacking in some of the soft skills and the leadership skills. And so we started so many programs to improve this in the community so that they can excel in the outside world. Having come at this juncture, we thought it is best to catch them young and started for the school going students also, having quiz championship and various other events. During this time, we came in connect with Dr. Madhu Kumar Mehta, and we started the Tod Ford Jod, which we explained it to us in a short period of time, and we immediately accepted it. Today, after a year or so of the event, it is now well entrenched in our community, and lot many students are taking benefit of it. During this time of coronavirus and lockdown, we started evaluating the digital side to it, and we have been able to put together a way where we can take it forward in the name and style of InnoQuest Digital, of course, with VIC leading it and DDKF supporting it. As you are aware, the National Education Policy 2020 was announced, and the concept of rote learning is now going to be changed to experiential learning. This is what TFJ and InnoQuest Digital has been doing and will be doing. Having said so, I would take this opportunity to give my thanks to Sonam Wangchuk to be present here from his busy schedule and address us and his innovative way of thinking, and maybe we can gain lots and lots from him. A big thank you to the DDKF team led by Prashant Shah, Chirag Kenya, and Lex Kenya, who have always been there to promote this and do whatever is required to make this successful. A special mention to Zubin Sawla and his team, who have done a lot of work for the digitalization of this program, and his team of facilitators for doing it continuously. In the end, I would really thank Vadodara Innovation Council for reposing faith and belief in DDKF to carry out this program in Mumbai and the other regions. And now with the digitalization, maybe on a pan India or a pan world field. Thank you very much. Thank you.